Open your Sketchbook app. It's got a picture of a pencil on it. Now we need to clear off the screen and adjust our page so it's facing the right way. Look at the top of your screen and find the box that has dots and lines in it and tap on it. Once you tap on that box, it will open up this menu. You want to press New Sketch, the one with the paintbrush and the plus sign. Then you will see this screen. Notice this paper is going vertical. We want it horizontal. So press the little square with the arrow by it and see how it's now horizontal. Then click Create. If there was a drawing on your page, you'll have to click the red X, Discard Current Sketch, and then the red word Discard again to clear it out. Your page should now look like this. Pause the video here and go do this step. We're going to make our white page a little bit smaller so none of it is hiding behind our drawing tools. Oops, look, I made a mark on my page that I don't want. Hit the arrow to undo it. Now I'm going to use my pinchy fingers and pinch them closer together to make my page smaller like this. Pause the video and make yours smaller too. Next, we need to get the correct drawing tool. They're over here on the left side of your screen. You want the fourth one from the top. When I tap it 2 times, it says Technical Pen. See where it says size and has that little circle? I'm putting my finger on it to move it around. I'm going to try setting it at 9. Then I'm going to look for the little colored circle and tap on it to get the color green. We'll start by drawing seaweed. So drag the outside circle around until you're on green, and let's start with a dark green. So I'm going to move the circle inside the diamond down towards the bottom corner a little bit so I get a nice dark green color. Pause the video and do those 2 steps. Let's draw our first piece of seaweed. Start on the left side of your white page and draw a curvy line from the top all the way down to the bottom. Then we want the bottom of the seaweed to get a little bit thicker. So I'm starting at the bottom and drawing another line up and connecting it when I get close to the top. We want to color the bottom part of that seaweed in. So I just take my finger and I rub it and color it in. So keep rubbing your finger on it until you have filled in all the peekaboos. Pause the video here and draw your piece of seaweed. Go back to your color selector and move the circle inside the diamond up closer to the top corner so you get a light value of green. Then go back to the top of your paper, on top of or right next to your other piece of seaweed, and draw a second piece, make it thicker and color it in. Make sure that your second piece is overlapping or covering parts of the first piece of seaweed. Pause the video here and draw your second piece of overlapping seaweed. You may keep it at just 2 pieces of seaweed, or you may add a third piece. If you add a third piece, make your green an even lighter value before drawing your next piece of seaweed. Notice all 3 of my seaweed pieces are on the right side of the screen. We don't want to fill our entire page. Pause the video and go draw your third piece of seaweed if you want to. We're ready to start our first fish. Go to your color selector and choose any color that you want to be your first fish. You don't have to use the same color as me. Once you've chosen your color, you can zoom in on your page by using your pinchy fingers, put them close together, and then spread them out. Notice how my page just got bigger, and you can see a little bit of my seaweed over there on the left side. To draw your fish's body, start by drawing a frown. Then draw a smile, making sure these 2 lines connect. It looks like a football shape. Use your finger to color in your fish's body. Pause the video and draw your fish's body and choose any color you want. Next, we're going to draw the fins. You can choose a new color if you want, or use the same color. The choice is yours. I'm going to slide my page over with my 2 fingers. For the tail fin, draw a diagonal line up and then a diagonal line down. Then connect those lines with a curvy line. At the top of your fish's body, draw a line that's diagonal and goes towards the tail. At the bottom of the fish's body, do the same. Draw a diagonal line towards the back tail and then connect those two diagonal lines with a vertical line until it touches the fish's body. Now you may color in all your fins. Pause the video now and go draw your fins and color them in. Once you have finished drawing your fish, you may choose a color for the eye. Maybe you want a white eye. You slide the color up to the white at the top of the diamond. You can just put a small dot for your fish's eye, or maybe you want the eye to be black. That's at the bottom corner of the diamond. You could put a small dot, or you could draw a bigger circle. Maybe you want it to be black with a white shiny spot inside. So you decide how you want your fish's eye to look and draw it. You can even add patterns to your fish by choosing a different color than the body and drawing designs on it. You don't have to add patterns. This step is optional. Pause the video now and make sure you give your fish an eye and patterns if you want to. Use your pinchy fingers to zoom back out so you can see your whole page again. We will stop at one fish for this week and save our art for next time. Do not open your sketchbook app unless you are in art class. We don't want anything to happen to it. Submit your progress so far. You may watch the videos below this one to see how to save and submit your work to Canvas.